Welcome to AM Auto Master Car, your go-to channel for everything on wheels. If it's fast, powerful, and makes your heart race, we've got it covered. Today, we're diving deep into the beast that defines American muscle, none other than the 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. This isn't just a car. It's a statement, and trust us, Ford has taken it to the next level. Let's start with what makes this machine a true powerhouse. Under the hood, Ford has packed a supercharged 5.2-liter Predator V8, now pushing even more power than its predecessor. We're talking about an estimated 800 horsepower, making it the most powerful factory-built Mustang ever. Whether you're on the track or the streets, this monster is built to dominate. Performance isn't just about power, it's about control. Ford has fine-tuned the 7-speed dual-clutch transmission to deliver lightning-fast shifts, ensuring that every ounce of horsepower translates into pure speed. And with advanced launch control, expect blistering acceleration that pins you to your seat. Now, let's talk design. The 2025 Shelby GT500 retains its aggressive stance but adds even more aerodynamic elements. A redesigned front splitter, larger rear wing, and wider body not only make it look meaner but also improve downforce and stability at high speeds. New lightweight carbon fiber wheels reduce weight while enhancing performance, giving this beast the perfect balance of speed and handling. Stepping inside, the cockpit is all about the driver. Ford has upgraded the digital gauge cluster and infotainment system, providing a seamless mix of technology and muscle car heritage. Carbon fiber and Alcantara line the interior, giving it a race-ready feel while maintaining premium comfort. And for those who crave the ultimate track experience, optional Recaro bucket seats keep you planted during aggressive driving. Of course, a Shelby isn't just about power, it's about sound. The active exhaust system ensures that the GT500's roar is as aggressive as its performance. Whether it's in quiet mode for the neighborhood or track mode for unleashing chaos, this Mustang knows how to make an entrance. But power means nothing without control. The new MagneRide adaptive suspension constantly adjusts to road conditions, providing a perfect blend of comfort and performance. Paired with high-performance Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, this car grips the road like never before. Ford has also packed this Shelby with cutting-edge safety and tech. From advanced driver assist systems to improved traction and stability control, the GT500 isn't just about raw power, it's about intelligent performance. Now, let's talk price. The 2025 Shelby GT500 is expected to start around $90,000, but with options like the carbon fiber track package, that number can climb past six figures. Is it worth it? For those who want the ultimate Mustang experience, absolutely. So, what do you think of the 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500? Is this the best Mustang ever built? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love high-performance machines, make sure to subscribe to AM Auto Master Car for more reviews, test drives, and exclusive content. Hit that like button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your passion for cars alive.